Worship to me is much more than the songs we sing. In fact, I had a radio show for 18 months. It was called More Than a Song. You know, it was Don Moen and Friends, but I wrote the theme song was called More Than a Song, and it basically says worship is more than the songs we sing. The huge mistake we've made is music equals worship and worship equals music. Let's have a time of worship. Well, everybody think, okay, that's singing. Well, no, that's a part of it. But worship, to me, it's a lifestyle. It's 24/7 lifestyle. It is how we serve the poor. It's how we affect our community. How am I treating my wife? How am I a good husband? Am I a good father to my children? Am I a good friend? Am I representing the kingdom of God wherever I go? And oh, by the way, there is a time to offer praise to God in a song. But it's a facet of what true worship is. And I get really tired of people just automatically thinking when we say, let's have a time of worship. Oh, let's sing. Worship is the preaching of the word. Worship is the word. Worship is prayer. Worship is a testimony. Somebody getting up and saying, look what God did for me. That's worship. Worship is thanksgiving. Worship is relationship with brothers and sisters. Just imagine if we lived each week with that concept of, I'm a true worshiper. I'm going to live this week reaching out to the poor. I'm going to serve. I'm going to go ahead and have coffee with a friend that I needed to have coffee with. I'm going to take my wife out to dinner. And everything we do, I'm going to spend time with my kids, but it's all an offering of worship. Think what our worship, how much more it would mean on a Sunday morning when we get together. And now, as a part of my life as a true worshiper, a lifestyle of worship, I'm going to now offer a song of thanks for all that God has done. I mean, it should be an overflow of what's already happened in our lives as true worshipers. Our songs should just be an overflow of what's already happening. It makes sense to me.